Hi, it's Satoshi Sister Kate. Today I will introduce you to the hottest news from the world of crypto. Before we start, remember to leave a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. Today, we're starting with Blockchain Base, the hot new Layer 2 solution that's been causing a stir since its debut on August 9, 2023 under the Coinbase banner. But is Base a game changer or just another overhyped token riding the wave of aggressive marketing? Let's break it down. Base is based on the Ethereum ecosystem and is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, which facilitates the creation and migration of existing applications from the native network, ensuring transaction security, liquidity, and technological development for years to come. The network we're discussing uses roll-up mechanisms, which make transactions conducted on the network cheap and fast. This is mainly due to the accumulation of various transactions off-chain, which are then batched and sent to the Layer 1 network. This solution is already being used in other networks, confirming its effectiveness. Coinbase, by creating its network, was inspired by the exchange that already created one and achieved full success. We're talking about Binance Smart Chain, which to this day, despite many negative assumptions about Binance and CZ's departure, still leads as one of the most frequently used Layer 2 networks. Seeing this, Coinbase decided to introduce its network, which aims to attract users to its ecosystem and facilitate their daily trading activity while maintaining a certain level of security. It is speculated that seeing the revenues generated for Binance through their native network, Coinbase, having substantial financial resources, decided to attract even more capital to itself, counting not only on the USA, but also on the entire available crypto market. Let's talk stats, shall we? At the time of this review, Base proudly stands among the top 10 largest networks in the crypto universe. Despite conceding ground to Blast, the network continues its meteoric rise. March witnessed a jaw-dropping six-fold surge in daily transactions. This translates into hefty transaction earnings, with daily profits already tallying millions and peak daily earnings soaring to a whopping $2 million. This surge stems from a steady influx of new users and increasingly hefty sums bridged into the protocol. After analyzing the data, it can be concluded that capital is circulating and interest is shifting between networks. Here we can observe a partial outflow of capital from Solana to Base. Of course, it is not as drastically noticeable, but mainly due to the influx of new projects to Base and their migration from Solana. Memecoins lead the way here, giving speculators, because they differ from investors by a chasm, hundreds of thousands of % in profit. Thanks to this, another wave of fans of this type of play begins their first activities on the Base network. Another thing that the discussed network wants to capture the hearts of users with is the speculated airdrop. Farmers don't sleep. Newer and newer protocols are being farmed, thus fattening Coinbase's wallet. But isn't the project itself farming us? Hundreds of thousands of unnecessary ethers burned in the name of what? An airdrop that was never officially mentioned? Typical, pure speculation, which historically has already made huge money, such as in the case of Arbitrum, Optimism, or Starknet. Will Base go the same way? Only time will tell. Are you farming on Base? Let us know. If we've already mentioned projects on Base, our portfolio includes several positions with potential that, with increased interest in the network, have a chance to make huge profits. As part of alpha plays, check out such positions as higher and lower as opposing tokens that can attract interest one after the other. Typically, tokens somehow linked to each other pass on the internet hype. First one shoots up, then the rest of the related ones follow suit. CJ, as a narrative tied to GTA, the main character of GTA Vice City, a classic of its genre. Toshi and Mochi, cat memes made in the likeness of Brian Armstrong's cat, CEO of Coinbase. ElonRWA, a tokenized image of Elon Musk, who, as usual, captures the hearts of crypto enthusiasts. Tree, the Tree of Alpha Token, an organization shrouded in mystery, providing services to the biggest players in the crypto market. IBE, the first major community token on Base. TYBG, a token based on the religion of Base God. Penny, a narrative based on the tokenized concept of can you hold a penny? Dog in Me, the founder of Farcaster's dog, which is not actually a dog, but the original dog within it. Interest in such tokens, niche in nature, community-driven, and fostering significant social hype could bring substantial value to the network. Solana and TON serve as excellent examples. Remember, these are high-risk ventures fueled primarily by the allure of astronomical profits. Always do your own research. Ever heard of new token standards merging NFTs and ERC-20 tokens? One such standard, ERC-404, facilitates direct exchange between NFTs and tokens of a given value. Can't afford the whole NFT? No worries. Some built on this standard, like Omnibus Libertas on ZK Sync, enable purchasing fractional ownership within your budget. With NFTs, you can also swap them for tokens of equivalent value. But beware. This tech still has its kinks and contract flaws, posing risks of exploitation and exorbitant gas fees. Enter DN-404, Divisible NFTs, a safer, refined tech built on open-source principles. Developed by the Avengers, DN-404 rectifies ERC-404 shortcomings, streamlining existing tech and making it accessible to all. And let's not forget Asterix, a project gaining traction, especially among alpha play hunters. These are projects flying under the radar, but whose innovation might soon catch investors' eyes. And remember, you can acquire this project as both an NFT and a token. Are you going to ape in? Let us know in the comments. Every week, we're dishing out the hottest coins of the past week. This time, we're shining a spotlight on NeuralAI. Tayo plus AI plus gaming plus NVIDIA is equal to Neural. Traditional 3D content creation was costly and convoluted, but not anymore. NeuralAI leverages AI to transform text descriptions into detailed 3D models, slashing costs and complexity. With Neural, developers can swiftly create and deploy new 3D models alongside textual prompts. And with its integrated marketplace, you can trade, sell, or even give away your AI-generated projects. Neural aims to remain an official subnet of Tayo, offering a promising addition to your portfolio. With a low market cap of around $10 million and its AI and gaming narrative, this project could see a surge in popularity. The Bitcoin halving is just around the corner. This phenomenon occurs roughly every 4 years and slows down the pace of creating new Bitcoins. This happens because the reward given to the network's miners for securing it is cut by 50%. But here's the million-dollar question. Is the market truly holding its breath for the halving only to skyrocket shortly afterward? Some analysts speculate that today's BTC price, hovering around $70,000, already factors in the halving. In previous cycles, we've seen a similar scenario unfold. Shortly before the halving, the market typically experiences a painful slump, with Bitcoin's value plummeting by around 20%. But then, after a period of sideways trading, we witness a surge to new all-time highs. Could ETFs disrupt Bitcoin's cyclical patterns this time around? Lady of Crypto lays out a fantastic article on halving periods on her Twitter. Check it out. A temporary market rebound could be caused by a decrease in GBTC sales to below 100 million, according to James Seyffart, an asset management professional at Bloomberg. This could be positive news for the market. James also mentioned that he expects approvals for Ethereum spot ETFs to be issued in 2025. According to CoinDesk, the largest equity funds from China are quietly entering the Bitcoin spot ETF market. Chinese equity funds have applied to launch spot Bitcoin ETF funds through their subsidiaries. Harvest Fund Management's Hong Kong branch is among those waiting for approval from the Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, in Hong Kong. Venture capital funds are once again paying attention to the cryptocurrency sector after nearly 2 years of a bear market. Recently, there has been a noticeable increase in VC investments in the crypto space, with particular interest in the EigenLayer ecosystem, confirming previous predictions about growth trends in the crypto world. Not much has changed since our last market analysis. BTC remains at a similar level, fluctuating between 73,000 and 65,000, maintaining a sideways trend since early March. Bitcoin dominance still hovers around 51%. Some alts are slowly losing value, while others are not affected by local declines. Tau and TON are good examples here, as they've gained tens or even hundreds of percent. Analyzing Bitcoin's recent moves, we can see that its price has jumped by about 170 since October of the previous year. Despite the sentiment, we're still near the upper limit of its chart. One of the factors supporting BTC's price is news of miners accumulating BTC, aiming to sell it at much higher prices. On Wednesday, April 10th, the U.S. Department of Labor announced an increase in consumer prices in the USA, known as CPI. March saw a rise of 3.5% year over year, with a month-on-month increase of 0.4%. Expectations were slightly better, 3.4% and 0.3% respectively, for year over year and month on month. The same situation applies to core inflation, which excludes fuel and food prices. It rose by 0.4% month-on-month and 3.8% year-over-year. Expectations were slightly lower, 0.3% and 3.7% respectively. This situation immediately had a negative impact on both traditional markets and the crypto market, where the price of BTC dropped by about 4% over the last 24 hours. ETH saw a recent rally due to positive news about Ethereum ETFs. Remember, other Layer 2 and Layer 3 networks also contribute to Ethereum's value as they are linked to it. Some analysts clearly state that if the BTC rally is accelerated, it could end even this year. The low BTC price may be artificially created for future price assumptions. Numerous positive news and growth stimuli could quickly push BTC's price above 100K. Do you think the influx of capital from funds into the crypto market will lead to increases across the board, or will it be directed to specific currencies? Finally, an important security update. Telegram experienced a hack that involved automatically downloading a file containing malicious software when a user clicked on a link shared in the chat. The attack was detected and quickly resolved by Telegram's security team, but it serves as a reminder to always exercise caution when clicking on links from unknown sources. Similarly, Google Chrome users were targeted in a phishing campaign that attempted to steal their cryptocurrency wallet credentials. The attackers sent emails posing as legitimate Google Chrome support messages, asking recipients to update their browser extensions. However, the provided link led to a fake website designed to steal sensitive information. Always be vigilant and verify the authenticity of messages and links before taking any action. In conclusion, the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve and present new opportunities for investors and enthusiasts alike. With the introduction of innovative projects like Base, the rise of new token standards such as DN-404, and the development of cutting-edge technologies like NeuralAI, there's no shortage of excitement in the crypto space. As always, it's essential to conduct thorough research, stay informed about market trends and developments, and exercise caution when navigating the digital landscape. With diligence and a keen eye for opportunity, you can navigate the ever-changing crypto market and make informed decisions that align with your investment goals. Stay tuned for more updates, analysis, and insights from the Satoshi sisters as we continue to explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Remember, stay safe, stay informed, and may the Satoshi be with you.